Hello everyone, welcome back to the my channel ASP.NET with C#. In this video, we will see the basic concept of boxing and unboxing in C#. And we will also see how to practically implement this boxing and unboxing in Visual Studio. First of all, to begin with this boxing and unboxing, we first understand the concept of data types in C#. As we all know, there are two types of data types. First is your built-in data type and second one is your user-defined data type. Okay, so now built-in data types are int, float, double and so on, etc. When we are talking about user-defined data type, first is your class, interface, structure and so on. So these are the two types of data types available in C#. Okay, so in this all the built-in data types are predefined. The value and the type of data that can store in the built-in data type, it is defined by the system. In case of user-defined data type, right, the user will define the size and the data in the user-defined data type. All the built-in data type are stored in the stack region of the memory. All the user-defined data type stored in the heap region of the memory. There is one more data type called as object. In C#, object is one of the data type. The property of the object is that it can store any type of value. It can store integer, float, double, char and so on. Now we start with the concept of boxing and unboxing. Boxing is one of the concept that is used to convert the value type data type, reference type data type into value type data type. Now we understand what do you mean by reference type. All the user defined data types are of reference type. All the built-in data type are the value type. That means in value type data type we can manipulate the value of the variable, but we are not able to manipulate or access the address of the variable. In reference type, one of the data type is your object. Object is one of the reference type data type. The boxing is a process. Boxing is a process which is used to convert the reference type data type into value type data type. The reverse process of the boxing is called as unboxing. Unboxing is a process which is used to convert any value type data type back to the reference type data type. But do remember, before unboxing we have to do the boxing. That means the box data will be unboxed. So these are the two concepts provided in the C#. Now we start with the demonstration of boxing and unboxing in Visual Studio. So first we start with using system. Now we create a class. You can give any name to this class. Program. The entry point of program execution, public, static, void, M capital main, and the arguments string, here, GS. Now I am declaring a variable a which is of type integer, and I am giving a value as 10. So as we all know, since the variable a is of type integer, that means it is a value type data and it's stored in the stack region of the memory. Now we will see the process of boxing. In C#, we have a data type called as object. Object is one of the data type available in C#, and I am giving a name to this object as obj. The value stored in this obj is your a. Now we can understand this line. We will understand this line. Object. We all know this object is one of the data type, but this belongs to the category of reference type data type. This is my reference type data type. Now we are doing here, we are storing the value of a in obj. That means the a is your value type and the obj is your reference type. So this will converts the value type data into reference type data. This line will convert the value type data into reference type data, and this process is called as boxing. Now we will print the value of a, and then we will print the value of obj. When we execute this program, the value of a, which is of value type, will be transferred into the object obj, which is of reference type. Just execute this program, press F5. Now see, a will be 10 and obj is also 10, but this is the value type and this is a reference type. You can also print the text before the variable a equals to plus a and obj equals to plus 4. Now we start with the concept of unboxing. Unboxing is a process of converting the reference type data type into value type. So I am declaring a variable b which is of type integer, that means it is a value type data, and I am trying to store the value of obj in b, but as we can see here, it is giving an error. Cannot implicitly convert the object to int. Why? Because this object can store any type of data. In object we can store integer. Suppose we have an object type data type, we can store any integer, then we can store double in this, we can store string in this, and so on. That means this object have the box to store integer, have the box to store double, have the box to store string, and I am trying to store this object into a box of integer. Since this object can store any type of data, it is not possible to store this object into integer type. One of the reason is that object is of size 8 bytes. That means object requires 8 bytes of memory to store the data, and integer is of size 4 bytes. This is not possible. 8 bytes data will not be stored in 4 bytes. Or we can say that the unboxing process is not possible directly. So we have to do some conversion. That is called as unboxing. In in unboxing, we will convert the reference type data into value type. So in this case, what we are doing, we are unboxing the integer data from the object. Now this is called as unboxing. This is your unboxing. Then we will print the value of the p, which is equals to plus. Now we can see here all the A, B, C, A, OBJ and B have the same value. So in this case, the value stored in A is your value type. This is my value type data, and this is your reference type data, and again this is your value type. So this is all about boxing and unboxing in C#. I hope you understood this session. Thank you so much.